In this tutorial, I will show you how to create tracing letters in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and select Custom Size. Next, set the canvas size. For example, enter 200 by 200 pixels and click Create New Design. This will open a blank canvas. Now, go to the Elements section and search for Rectangle. Add a rectangle shape to your canvas to create a border for your tracing card. Remove the fill color and keep only the outline so it acts as a frame for the activity card. Next, go to the text section and add a heading. Type the letter you want to create, such as A. Duplicate the text box and change one letter to uppercase and the other to lowercase so learners can practice both forms. Choose a clear font that is easy to trace, such as a simple handwriting or basic sans serif font. To make the letters look like tracing guides, change the text color to light gray or apply a dashed style if available. You can also reduce the opacity so the letters appear lighter and easier to trace. Next, go to the Elements section and add a simple image that represents the letter, such as an ant for the letter A. Position the image near the letters to help learners associate the letter with a word. Add a horizontal line under the letters to create a baseline where the letters sit. Adjust the spacing and layout until the design looks clean and easy to follow. When your tracing letter design is finished, click Share and then Download. Choose PDF print if you plan to print the worksheet for tracing practice.